Hiya, I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. On today's video, I'm going to do a zebra leopard print encapsulated glitter design. So I've already primed and sculpted a tip onto this nail, and I'm now just going to do my design using acrylic powders. I'm going to start off with Warm Beige. Start in the cuticle area. Pat it down the nail. And using Mega White, place it on the tip and drag it up the nail. So that's where the leopard print's gonna go. And using the Neo Nails Bronze Goddess. Oh, look at that. I pop that in the middle section. And I'm gonna blend it towards the cuticle and just blend it into that white ever so slightly. And using Crystal Clear, I'm going to encapsulate that. Starting off at the cuticle. Tilting the nail down so then it naturally goes with gravity, and pat that nail. Get rid of the end bit. Always check your sides. Make sure there's no dips in the nail. Build this bit up a little bit. Also, my reason for having a clear base is so that I can remove this design and I've still got clear underneath to do a new design for a backfill if she wants to redesign next time. I'm going to leave that to set. That is now set. I'm going to do my filing down the sides. Just supporting the nail because it's so long. Using the Neo Nails Pure Acetone, get rid of any scratches. Going to take the Neo Nails 002 brush. Going to load my brush up with some Urban Graffiti Serious Black to do some zebra stripes. I'm going to do some leopard print or cheetah or whatever you call them, spots. Once you're happy with it, pop it under the lamp for 30 seconds, please. Right, so now I'm going to seal the design in with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Oh, look at the glitter. So pretty. Cap the free edge. Pop it under the lamp for a minute, please. And using pink pineapple, cuticle oil. Rehydrate. And there you have a sculpted white glitter leopard zebra nail. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below. See you next time. Bye.